Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset your BAOFENG UV-5R radio back to factory default. This isn't something you would normally do. I always recommend this though, especially if you bought it used from somebody. It basically puts you at square one. It doesn't have all of their settings and their save channels and stuff like that in it. So we're going to go through this pretty quick. We're going to turn on the radio. All we're going to do here is we're going to press the menu button and we're going to enter 40. It's going to take you to this option. It's going to say reset, and it's going to show all. You should see a blinking 40 right here. I'm going to turn the volume down. Now, if you don't do anything, it's going to kick you out of the menu. You can simply press menu to get back to it. All we're going to do is when we're in this setting, we're going to press menu, and we've got two different options. We can reset all, or we can reset VFO. If you do VFO, it's going to reset your menu to factory default and your A and B frequencies. If you reset all, it's going to do that, and it's going to erase all of the channels and reset all the channels. So menu 40, when we're in here, menu again, choose the one you want. I'm going to do all. I'm going to press menu. It says source. Again, I'm going to do all. And it's reset my radio back to factory default. You'll notice a minute ago we were on a weather channel. We are no longer on that weather channel. Also, I don't know if you saw a minute ago when I pressed menu, it took me to my squelch. My squelch level was set to 8. It's back to 5 because that's the default on the radio. Anyway, that's how you reset your values, all of them, back to factory default. I hope the video helps.